Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. So, these are for your general energies, guys. This card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Aries. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here for your general energies: King of Earth, Page of Water, and Messenger of Air. So, maybe today, guys, Aries, in your circumstances, you are someone really practical, grounded, and you want to what to say you are someone really devoted and responsible, and you want to make responsible choices today. Think clearly and go forward with that, what to say having that complete trust in your actions, or trust in your talents and skills, and making the right choices for yourself. But today your circumstances are, what to say you see some kind of temptation, something is pulling you towards something else. There may be distractions, or there may be something obstructing the way you are working, and it is affecting your focus and attention, guys, Aries. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, whatever you do, you are a person who is really focused, attentive, and trying to do things in the right way, feeling cheerful and confident about whatever you do. But circumstances are really distracting you today, guys. And maybe you are reacting, or you are rushing towards something without thinking today, guys. So, some choices or some decisions you are making, and it is not, what to say, not your response, it is a reaction. So, you need to be really careful. So, um whatever is that highest good for you, for your future, for your life, you must think about it and then make that choice. So, simply thinking about something or expecting something may work for you, and making a choice is not going to help you today, guys, Aries. So, in this relationship, maybe your past has clouded you, or it is affecting the way you are thinking today. Maybe the past relationship has taught you a lot of lessons. You feel really sad for the way things went, and you are making your choices based on the past experience. So, that is not going to work out for you guys in the present. So, you need to think and act differently today. So, thinking of the past or holding on to that past experience and making decisions today in this present relationship is just the wrong way of handling things, and that is not the way to respond to any circumstance. So, if you want to do things the right way, you must think clearly and feel curious. Maybe you just have a lot of things on your mind, lot of influence. Your past is influencing you, and you feel really sad, you feel confused in this connection, you want to know more about this person. So this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe they are curious, or maybe you are curious, but there are reasons for this curiosity, guys. Maybe they want clarity, guys. they want to know everything about you, and that is the reason they want to find out everything about you, and they are finding it out maybe from your friends, your common friends. That is the reason for their curiosity. They don't want to make any wrong decisions in this relationship because of this confusion they have. Based on their past experience, it is really difficult for them to trust anyone, not only you, anyone. So that is the reason for their curiosity. That is the reason they want to clear their mind. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card. So 10 of water looks like you, this curiosity is going to build this relationship, guys, based on truth and trust. So they want to build their trust on truth. That is the reason for their curiosity, guys, and this relationship is going to work in a very positive way, Aries. That is what I see with this card. So for your career circumstances, we have Emperor. So Aries, just like we said, you are someone really practical and grounded. So in your work situation, you have a stable circumstance, stability that is leading you towards success and prosperity. So you are making the right decisions for yourself, and things will shape up very well in your work situation, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment, and your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, You have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance, or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and um, it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more what to say, in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion, and you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some. It may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.